Good day, everybody. This is Adam from AdFree Media with you again for another video. Guys, I'd just like to thank everyone for their support thus far. And as a lot of you know, YouTube has decided to change their rules on payments and schedules like that. So if you think I'm doing a good job, feel free to buy me a beer. $2-3, all good. But all good, guys. I don't really care. I'm one way or the other. Look, today we're going to have a look at IPTV. This is really hard for me to actually say because the IPTV service that I currently use at home I think is absolutely fantastic. The one I am going to show you, I would have to say, would be one of the best, if not best, in some features that I have seen. Even better than the one I currently use at home. I will show you the one I currently use at home within the next few days, maybe next Wednesday. But today we're going to have a look at this particular IPTV service, and it is called Set TV. What we're going to do is give me a moment and we'll jump straight into it. You're not going to see my ugly mug again for the moment. We jump straight into Set TV and I'm just going to show you why I'm so damn excited about it. Stick with me, guys, and we'll be back with you in a second. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into USA. And we'll just have a bit of a look at, we'll just pick a program at random here and just see what happens. And there we go, it comes up, and at that point there we just simply enlarge it and it works beautifully. Yeah, that's an old movie, so let's just find something a little bit better. I don't like that idea of actually enlarging. It should just come up straight away with what I want to watch also. But the content is what we're looking at this point. Picking something else. And that little bit of a lag, I'm not sure why it's happening, but these are full HD TV shows. So let's flick through just a couple, just have a look in the US section. As you can see going down there, there's a lot of stuff there. Beautiful. Okay, let's just go and have a look down the bottom here. Now we've got VOD, videos on demand. This is probably one of, okay, before I get into it, the layout's disgraceful. I've got to say that straight away. They need to do something about the layout. But saying that, you can come in here and go TV shows, new releases, thrillers, sci-fi. Now, we don't really know what we're picking in the way of movies or TV shows. That's a bit of a pain. But we'll go with that. So we'll just say TV shows, and it comes up with the 12 Monkeys, la la la, that's great. That's not laid out nicely, but we can actually go, for example, we can actually search. So I'm going to look for Star Trek Discovery. Now, typically, might help if I can spell, typically on a lot of these IPTV services, you don't get the updated stuff. Now, you can see there straight away, we've got the updated Star Trek Discovery. We can watch it. It gives you a rundown on all the other ones as well. So full HD, very quickly to come into it. This is where I feel that it's fantastic. Just the quality of what you can watch here, but the layout is absolutely a mess. They really need to do something about the layout. If you can get over that, and if you can just search for what you want to search for, you're going to have a great experience. But if you are just wanting to come in here and say, okay, I want to watch something, look, I don't know what sort of experience you're going to have. The reason I went on a lot about it is because of the sheer content that's there. It's not about its layout. Its layout needs a lot of work. It's got a catch-up section, and it's got an EPG, so we can actually just come in here and see what's on as well on all the shows. Programs for today. So we can just go, okay, Fox News, and it tells us what's on for Fox News. So for now, guys, tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel about that. The reason I went on about it a lot when I first started is because I had a huge, great experience with it last night when I was playing with it. Today, when I'm doing that demo, it let me down in a lot of critical spots. And look, I paid for a month's service on this thing. I didn't get it for free. So if I'm sitting there and wanting to watch events and things like that, I want it to work. Don't you? I mean, if you're paying for something, you want it to work. If you're using one of those free ones, you don't really care too much if it doesn't work. You know that it's free, you know that it's risky, but if you're paying for something, it has to work. Look, like I said, I'm going to hook it up to one of my TV boxes as well. The good thing about it is the content. The bad thing is the layout. You also get 3 licenses for the amount that you pay. That's a massive incentive. If they can work out the little glitches and the layout issues and the way that the VODs are laid out, this is gonna be a massive winner. They just need to work out those few little issues, and it's gonna be a massive winner, because with the 3 licenses, that's about the same price as you're paying for one on a lot of other services. Guys, please tell me what you think about it. Please tell me what you would feel. Jump on, grab a free trial, see what you think. Comment below and tell me if I'm wrong, tell me if I'm right, tell me what you think. Thanks for watching, and if you've liked what I'm doing, please don't forget to subscribe, give me some thumbs up, and share me around the world. I'll see you later.